At AGL, we're planning for the start of an exciting new era. A new era of industry development and energy production at Loy Yang.
Right here in the Latrobe Valley.
Right here at AGL Loy Yang, we're planning a Latrobe Valley Industrial Energy Hub.
We're working with industry, innovators, government, educators, the community and local business.
Latrobe City is undergoing a significant economic transition, shifting towards a more diverse and innovative economy. We have a plan for transition to build on our strengths, a pathway for the greatest change in the region's history. And as one, we'll all work together for a vibrant, culturally rich and healthy, prosperous Latrobe Valley.
The valley has been built on more than 100 years of power generation, and it needs to stay here. The future is an integrated industrial energy hub. It will ensure employment, bring new industry to the valley, continue supply chains.
And build a circular economy.
We've got existing infrastructure, land, transport access, and grid connectivity.
It means local engineering, environment, and technology students like me can stay in the valley. I can build a career, a life here at home. It's more than a vision.
It's the reality.
It's our future.
It's my future.
Join the change.
Join the change.